Uh-oh.
Yay.
They're mad at each other again.
So I can either go back here and do the magnet boot part,
Right.
or you could do the new planet.
What do we need the O2 mask for?
Oh, it lets me run around. Let's us run around as Ratchet here.
Oh, instead of Clank?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do the mask.
Here you go.
Yes. Blast off. I'm just trying to do... I'm guessing this part feels more like side mission compared to main mission. I'm sure it
Well, given we have no main mission really going on here at the moment.
But it feels like it should be a side mission.
Yeah, but to get that upgrade I was talking about that we want,
yeah,
we need Ratchet on that gas planet.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure it's an upgrade you will much appreciate.
Why are you avoiding just telling me what it is?
I avoided telling you what Quark was really up to.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Any new weapons?
I don't know yet. We gotta get money and look. Oh.
Yes, you must buy the shop to show up there.
Yes. Show me what you got. Mind glove. Walloper.
Walloper.
Is it just a boxing
Punches
glove?
people hard.
Yes.
Like over. Visibomb.
What's that?
Steer your missile
with deadly accuracy.
I think it's one of those guns where you shoot and you actually steer the bomb instead of the character once you shoot.
Right. Okay.
So, you gonna buy something or what?
Decoy glove.
Oh, so just make a decoy of Ratchet?
Yep.
Anything you want?
Yeah, the Visibomb and decoy glove actually sound like it'd be useful for harder situations.
I like the Visibomb.
100 bolts per bullet.
We could actually get both.
Let's save for now.
No! He's so happy though. Don't you want him to be so happy all the time?
Yes, he's so happy all the time.
Yeah, no, it's not Cloppy.
Faces I've seen in weeks. You are friendly, aren't you?
To you, yes. To him, no.
Oh.
Well, friend, have I got a deal for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
become ravenous mutants?
Yes, you could say that. All my customers either left or became lunch. So I'm closing the place down. However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said...
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? Alright. But you better not try to stiff us.
Yeah.
Congratulations! Escort mission!
I don't like escort missions. Is he actually following me? Okay. What are those little things?
Is that stuff you're not liking?
Oh. Why do fish drop bolts?
Why are they exploding? Like a robot. Oh, you gotta hit them twice?
How? Okay, so... Those things are more difficult than others. What the heck is that? I kinda want to try out the new gun. Where is it?
Next to the bomb glove.
Okay.
That can be useful.
I literally didn't know how to steer it.
Oh god.
Let me find out I need... Wait, do I gotta get rid of that thing?
I think you have to jump on.
Oh no, I know. But
I'm guessing you're gonna have to protect him from stuff jumping on.
oh, yep. I literally can't do anything. Okay.
Don't worry, I'll protect you with my sniper rifle. As a bunch of guys with knives come up and change.
Yes. But are you gonna follow me now?
I think he automatically follows.
Alright, I got this.
Are you sure you don't want me to help you?
I'm positive. I am a Ratchet and Clank master. Boom. Okay.
Even masters make mistakes.
What the hell are you? What the noodle? What are you?
I think it's a Sea Life TN.
Yes. Or one of the aliens from Aliens, but pink.
And without the extra mouth tongue.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Get away. Oh no, we're getting overwhelmed. Okay. Hey, can't I suck these things up with the sucker gun?
Yeah. Probably.
That's what I should do. That just seems more logical.
Well, you can try it on these first ones here.
Come here, sucky fish. You guys seem small.
Yeah, you can just shoot them out quickly so you can suck them back up.
Yes. It's kind of cheap, I guess.
You still one-shot them with shots. Oh, you're going up. I guess you're done with the fish.
Oh.
Nope, they're up there too. You gotta admit, this is like admittedly one of the worst guns in the game. And it's just owning so hard.
Oh, yeah.
Until that immediate point.
Oh, let's see.
You got one shot.
I think we're good, yeah?
Yeah.
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 Das gut.
Parfenugel.
I want to say there's something back here. Okay, bomb blow.
Maybe you were supposed to jump off those. Like, high jump?
To what?
I don't know, maybe it's something. A ledge, possibly?
I don't see one. I think it was just cards. Just like this one. Okay. Farfanugan.
I thought Minnesota. I thought Vikings didn't exist anymore. They do in Minnesota.
Okay, for some reason I can't aim off, so we'll just go this way. You're not coming with, buddy.
You could just shoot it with a rocket.
I know, but it's more expensive. Oh, look at all the cool stuff we got.
Well, we got a Visibomb, which is more expensive than that gun.
True. Alright, so we got all this coins, bolts,
Currency!
money.
Suck gun!
Whee! The suck gun is so good for this level.
Yeah, you figured it would suck! Bad puns.
I like it.
And you don't have to live with them.
After.
Why don't you go back and grab that ammunition? Great.
Because I don't know how. Yay!
More ammunition that you're just gonna waste.
Yes. Ah! Don't you go on that little thing. Just stand at the back and turn around and do suck gun. That's all I'm gonna do.
And it's the big ones this time.
Yeah. Oh, they're attacking?
The hell?
The fish are super strong. That fish missed. Where are they jumping? Someone was jumping from. Obvious?
Don't worry, I'll protect you!
By shooting you with the fish that I just caught?
That are immediately trying to kill you regardless.
Yep.
That is some amazing jumping power.
Yeah. I'm gonna look at you and jump sideways and do a front flip. Okay. Oh, that's kind of neat.
Awkward bridge, though.
No. Love that. There we go.
Yep, the sucker gun probably would have helped you out on that last planet, too.
Which one?
The lava
the
world.
monster? Oh, I didn't...
It probably could have sucked up the bombs, too. The bombs are small enough.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. What the?
Hey, a button!
How do I find out it's time? Yes. Fishies! This is so cheap.
It's working so well, though.
I know, I like it. Is it? Oh! Yeah.
I think you're actually getting close to your goal, too.
Woo! Don't you run like that.
We're here. Now where's that fight?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr.
Oh.
Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourists, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
Oh my
I
god.
have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at Robo Shack. He knows about these locks.
Oh my god, we have to pay him.
No, and we just bought it the gun.
Features of a Gadgetron thruster pack to activate this switch.
You'll need to use the special features of Gadgetron Thruster Pack.
Well, what do we got here? Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can
Oh.
see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, you want
The
the
idiot
real
brother.
hardware. I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack. Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure
Uh-oh.
as heck will. It's got a real special power slam
Oh.
move built right in.
How much do you think it's gonna cost
First
us?
thing I need
All
is
our
to
money.
get to that
Really?
jet or you'd be out of luck, pal.
That's only 2,000.
Well, given like how much this game has gouged us before.
Yeah.
I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad hopping.
What?
Oh, apparently faster than a 42 on a hopper.
Better new. That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Uh-oh.
Your thruster pack includes the new Power Slam feature.
Okay.
Just press the R1 button during a jump to enjoy your new destructive capabilities.
R1 during a jump. Ow.
So I have to smash this with my ass? How is that a lock? I want to know. Ah,
Cool.
give me ammo.
And health.
Yes. Because I have a funny feeling that this will count as my health. Oh, I get to fly a jet plane?
Square button to fire the machine guns. And press the circle button to fire the enemies. To go faster, hold down
Yay!
Allow small enemy ships to get more
Oh, did I waste all my missiles already?
You have 2 missiles.
Oh snap! This is so cool.
Okay, it says to kill the small ships to get more missiles. Okay, apparently there's no collision detection against other ships.
How do I slow down? Yeah, I missed. So this is like 17?
Okay, you didn't seem to take any damage from that.
That's stupid.
Unless it hasn't, like, invisible. Oh! There we go!
That's stupid. I was just following the other jet. So apparently, flying into other jets, okay. Flying into wall, bad.
Flying into terrain? No.
That makes sense.
I want all the logics.
Please. Okay, so how do I slow down?
It didn't go over movement speed, it just said how to attack. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good segment to enjoy, like, the scenery they actually made for this planet.
Yeah, no.
I mean, look at all that vast ocean of nothingness.
Look at all the look at all the animals I can get. On my way. Yeah. Yeah. It's Stark at Fox 64.
But not as good and better!
Yay! Oh, it died. There's so many little ships.
You know with how much air control they have here? Oh!
Okay, I missed that. That's so stupid. I missed that noodle.
You're so close to winning.
Oh my goodness, so stupid. Okay, get out of the way. This still makes no sense to me.
How you can just full on ram a ship head on detect collision.
Yes.
And yet barely tapping the ground, it's death.
Yes. I mean, I'm all cool with the instant death, but at least be consistent with it. That's my only gripe.
Well, given this kind of segment was probably not their main focus of the game when making it,
It should always be the main focus. Woo!
yeah, just like how the Mako was the main focus of Mass Effect 1.
Yes. And then became completely obsolete.
Immediately.
Yes. Well, that was because people didn't really like it. But I actually like the Mako. I don't know, I had fun with it. I can see why people get angry with it though, because you did use it a lot.
Not really.
I thought so. Well, I guess you didn't have to. I did but you gotta remember, I did absolutely everything in Mass Effect.
Yes, you did. You did 100% everything in Mass Effect 1.
Yes. Yes, I did. I mean, come on. I got like almost... I don't know if you can really consider the green ending the perfect ending, because I thought it was kind of gay.
All the endings suck, really.
Yeah.
In fact, for me, the better ending is actually the one they added in where you can refuse,
And everyone dies?
regardless of your magic number.
Yeah.
We're completely dominating the Reapers. There's no bad thing to do. Yes, we're gonna win. Shepard said no.
Yeah. Wait, what?
And you just see, like, everyone just immediately take a gun and take it to their own head.
Mm-hmm. I still like that, though. How I saved the... Everyone's like, should I save the coins or the gap? And I'm just like, no. Wait, what? I saved them both. How'd you do that? I don't know, it gave me an option. So I just saved them both, and it worked. Why?
Mission complete. In that very badly colored text.
Yes.
Here you go.
Yay.
About time.
Yay.
allows you to breathe
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
How do I go underwater? Can I go underwater in this place?
I don't think so.
This would have been...
Hey, I think that's a teleporter.
Yeah. It's gonna kill us!
We're dead. This is hell.
What's this way?
The way you went?
Oh, that's the way I went, yeah. Cray cray doors.